In this video, we want to simplify this radical expression. We have 3 minus 2 root 5 divided by 3 plus 2 root 5. We are given 3 minus 2 root 5 divided by 3 plus 2 root 5. The first thing we need to do to solve this problem will be to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of this denominator. The conjugate of the denominator will be this exact same expression, but with a change in this sign. So we are multiplying all of this by 3 minus 2 root 5. Then we are dividing, which is multiplying this denominator by the exact same thing, 3 minus 2 root 5. So this will give us 3 times all of this, which will be 9 minus 6 root 5. Then minus 2 root 5 times all of this. This will give us 6 root 5. Then plus 2 times 2 is 4. Then root 5 times root 5 will give us root 5 squared. Then all of that divided by all of this times this. If you look at this expression and this expression, you see that they are very similar except for the signs. So this is difference of two squares, which we can express as 3 raised to power 2 minus 2 root 5 raised to power 2. So this gives us 9 minus 6 root 5 minus 6 root 5 will give us 12 root 5. Then plus 4 times this here takes care of this. So we have 5, and then divided by 3 squared here will give us 9. Then minus, to open up this bracket, this will be 2 squared, which is 4, times root 5 squared, which will be 5. This will be equal to 9 minus, let's do 4 times 5, which is 20. Actually, this is plus, then minus 12 root 5. Then divided by, here we are going to have 9 minus 4 times 5, which is 20. So this gives us 29 minus 12 root 5, then divided by 9 minus 20 here will give us negative 11. And if we separate this division, we are going to have 29 divided by negative 11, then minus 12 root 5 divided by negative 11. We can rewrite this to give us negative 29 divided by 11. Then minus times minus here will give us plus. So we have 12 root 5 divided by 11. Now what this means is that our actual problem, which was 3 minus 2 root 5 divided by 3 plus 2 root 5 is now equal to, I can switch this around to give me 12 root 5 divided by 11, then minus 29 divided by 11, bringing us to the final solution to this problem. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, and also remember to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.